Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we shall see how to account for a provision or how to account for an accrued income. So definitely accrued income or an accrued expense will definitely not be covered under the accounts payable because will not be impacting any vendor, not account receivable. Same for the accrued income, and since it is not a fixed asset, so will not be covering under the fixed asset model. So the balance is we have the GL module and we use the general journal part to account for these transactions. So you can click on new, select the voucher type from the drop down list. Okay, so let's say we take an example, we make a provision for a car rental. So for sure it will be in the first, the general entry will be an expense account debit and a provision account credit. So both are ledger. So we use this particular voucher. Vehicle rental KE and we select OPTE. Okay. Car rental for month of, let's say for the month of March. Let's say month of February. We are counting in March, February. Suppose 10,000. And also the offset account will be a ledger. We select the provision account. So if now there's a confusion which one to be selected, so if it is leading to the project, so select the accrued expense trade. If it is for the operational support, then you should select 474002. So let's say it is for OP. So the transactions are here. Okay, once the transactions dimensions are updated, change the currency. Always make sure that you select the right currency. Okay, and there, since it's a provision, there will be no taxes, so you can proceed to post the transaction. So here, just in the offset account, you have to be careful that you are using 472 for operation support part and 4001 for trade for project part, because when you select for 474001, it will under the financial dimension part, it will ask you to mention the project code, and if you don't mention the project code, it will not allow you to process. So you can just pause the transaction. Okay, it's done. So this is how we account for the provision, and same for the income, it would remain the same because you just have to change the ledgers and the dimensions. And also one thing to note over here, that this is GL, and we don't have any offsetting. Like you can, like when you see for the account receivable and accounts payable, you can knock off a particular payment against an invoice, a credit note again. So in this part or under the GL model, there is no option in the system that is available for knocking off. That you created a, a provision and then you reverse, so you want to knock off it. So it is not possible. So you have to track it either on Excel part to make sure that you have a correct breakdown of the open transaction. So thank you. In case you have any doubt, you can please contact us. Thank you. Bye.